Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we are taking a look at Faber Castell Tri-Click Druckbleistift, what to say, mechanical pencil 0.7 mm. So it costs 50 rupee as of 2022. Inside the pack we get a box of 5 additional 2B LEDs. 2B LED, by the way, is very dark and soft. Now the pencil itself looks great with the plastic body. I got this pink one. There are grooves on the side of the pencil for the necessary grip. The clicking feels normal. The lead is held pretty much sturdy. There is a retractable long eraser on the other end of the pencil. We can also remove the plastic piece if you want to take out or replace the eraser. Recording in macro while holding the pencil is difficult. Now for a quick sketch. Happy drawing, y'all. Take care. Bye bye.